So if you want, you can start from basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for me, I like holding the girl's right hand for fixation and full body control of her body. So I like making the body roll with my right hand. So this hand helped me to get in control of her body movement, but as well, I can do it without holding her. Okay, I can be doing it, touching myself. Maximum on a spinner. Boy, you see, but more comfortable for me holding her to control the whole movement. Okay, so I can be doing it going down and up. Okay, so I prefer locking her lower body with my knees. Now I'm locking her lower body, allowing her to move only her upper body. Okay, you see the body roll. Okay, without hand. I can use two hands as well. So this is from basic step. Now let's try from angle step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try body roll and waves all together. Okay, in close position. Now watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try another form of body roll and waves together with another posture from the guy's side. Now watch me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can go down as well. You can come up. You see, when you're bringing her up, you coming up as well. When you're bringing her down, you going down as well. Okay, same with wave. Okay, now let's try another form again of body roll and wave. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm making her to do decline wave, sorry. Okay, so decline, now incline. Okay, block, body roll, decline, body roll, then incline, body roll. Okay, now let's put some sensual body movement in this. Okay, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time.
I do like infinity with my hips. My hips go up, go down, go up, go down. And I continue it like infinity, like this. So I work only with my hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, but I prefer using double legs, like shifting their weight, okay? Picking it up and down, controlling the movement with my legs, going up, transferring, Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So we're gonna show you guys in couple.
Сейчас я покажу.
Okay, she's gonna show you guys something. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Stop. So look, our knees so close, and I feel how he control me with his knees. And we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь. Раз, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember I told you, better use your knees or your legs. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So depending on the count, if you want, you can do it in 1 or in 2s. For example, I'm going to do it in 1. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me do it in 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. Now let's do it very slow in 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay?